to a different technology. It's the first time actually that we have SPIC speaking at a Taiyang event, and we're very happy to have Franklin Miao with us, who's the Chief Brand Officer. Franklin will talk about industrial IBC cell and module technology for reaching higher efficiencies. Franklin, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Michael. Can you hear me?
Yes. Perfect.
Yes, thank you, Michael. Always save the best to the last. So hello, everyone. For the last presentation today, it's from SPIC Solo with the topic Industrial IBC Cell and Module Technology for Reaching Higher Efficiencies. Now, please allow me to begin. My presentation today is into 4 parts. Firstly, company introduction. Secondly, Intersolar exhibition review. Thirdly, IBC product advantages. And fourthly, future outlook. Part 1 begins with the company introduction. State Power Investment Corporation, short for SPIC, is one of the 5 major power generation groups in China and the largest solar power generation enterprise in the world. SPIC ranked 293rd among the Fortune Global 500 in 2021, with its business covering 46 countries and regions. This is a picture of our group headquarters building in Beijing with IBC VIPV installed, which will be described in details later. SPIC has a total installed capacity of 187 gigawatt, including 85 gigawatt of thermal power, 24 gigawatt of hydropower, 8 gigawatt of nuclear power, 35 gigawatt of solar power, and 35 gigawatt of wind power, with clean energy accounting for 59% of the total. The picture shows the scene exactly as described in an old Chinese poem. The sky is a blue cast, the grass is dense vast. Cattle and sheep appears out of the grass at a blast. SPIC Solar, full name Qinghai Huanghe Hydropower Development Xi'an and Xining Solar Power Branch, is a wholly owned subsidiary of SPIC and the only photovoltaic manufacturing company under SPIC. SPIC Solar have an annual production capacity of 1,100 megawatt cells and 200 megawatt modules, and also the only company that mass production P-type PERC, N-type TOPCon, and N-type IBC in the industry. 200 N-type IBC cell and module line is located in Xining City, Qinghai Province, Northwest China, commissioned at the end of 2019 through cooperation with IIC Constance, Germany. SPIC Solar has the world's leading manufacturer of IBC products, with module efficiency over 22%, including double glass module, glass backsheet module, BIPV, VIPV, and the flexible module. Also, the only mass production IBC cell and module line in China. Part 2, Intersolar Munich review. Now we are back to Intersolar site as SPIC Solar booth. It was SPIC Solar's first time at Intersolar, and the sun power was just across the aisles. As the world's only PV company with mass production of bifacial IBC products, SPIC Solar, with its latest Andromeda series of various IBC modules, focus the attention of many exhibitors and attract the warm attention of the European market. SPIC Solar debuted a new generation of Andromeda glass backsheet, double glass bifacial, BIPV, and VIPV series of IBC modules to meet the needs of different scenarios. IBC products are widely favored by the market for their high efficiency, low temperature coefficient, low light performance, low house spot temperature, low life cycle degradation, high power generation gain, good product reliability and elegant appearance. At present, the company has an average mass production efficiency of 24.5% for cells and 22.3% for modules, which is the highest efficiency of mass production IBC cell and module in China and the second highest in the world. Below are present four of the most popular products at Intersolar. The first product is the Andromeda 2.0 high efficiency series, which provides 400 watts of power in an area of less than 1.8 square meters, giving this module an efficiency of over 22.3%. This is a single glass module with a wet backsheet, which is very beautiful due to no bus bar on the front of the IBC cell. For this module, the 25 years power guarantee is 93%, and we offer a 25 years guarantee on both the product warranty and the performance warranty. This module can also be made with black backsheet for a more elegant appearance. The second product is the Andromeda 2.0 bifacial module with bifacial factor over 70%. The module has superior aesthetic by full black design with a bus bar on the front side. For this double glass module, the 30 years power guarantee is 91.8%, and we offer a 30 years guarantee on both the product warranty and the performance warranty. The most popular product at Intersolar to our surprise was the flexible module. The biggest benefit of the flexible module is their lightweight with a weight reduction of over 70%, and the fact that they can be bent, making them ideal for curved surface. And combined with our unique design, the module can be installed quickly and easily. Flexible modules are now available in two main sizes, 22 cell size with a power of around 200 watts, and the 64 cell size with a power of around 365 watts. The efficiency of the flexible module is around 20%. It can also be customized to meet specific scenarios. The last product is the Andromeda 2.0 VIPV module. This is a double glass module with 6 mm thick front glass and rear glass. The module is relatively heavy, coming in at over 60 kilograms for a 60 cells module. But this meets the design specification for building and gives the module excellent crack resistance and good noise insulation, which combined with the IBC cell with no bus bar on the front gives the module a stunning appearance, ideal for use in buildings. This product has been installed on the SPIC headquarters building in Beijing, can also be customized to suit various scenarios. Part 3, advantage of IBC product. Market-leading efficiency. IBC cells are the most efficient of the various crystalline silicon cells that are now in mass production. So with these cells, module efficiency can be higher, making them ideal for rooftops. We use N-type M6 wafer to make our cells, and through a unique process, we can now achieve a 24.5% efficiency in mass production. For rooftops, the module area is generally no more than 2 square meters, and our 66 cells module achieved 440 watts in this size, with efficiency of 22.3%, which is a market leader. Low temperature coefficients. The open circuit voltage of a crystal silicon cell decreases as the temperature rises. For N-type IBC cell, because of the high open circuit voltage greater than 710 milliwatts, the module has a low power temperature coefficient of -0.29, which ensures that the module generates more power on hot afternoons and hot summer days, thus increasing the overall power generation of the PV system. Low light performance. IBC cells are made of N-type silicon, which has a high minority carrier lifetime. While the front side of the cell is not shielded by bus bars, which results in a lower surface recombination. IBC module exhibits better power generation performance than conventional P-PERC module under low light. This allows the inverter to be started early in the morning and switched off late in the afternoon, increasing the amount of power generated in the early morning and the late afternoon. Outstanding hotspot performance. The interdigitated back contact structure is excellent in hotspot condition. The IBC hotspot temperature is only 80 to 120 degrees Celsius, which is a significant advantage compared to the hotspot temperature of 130 to 180 degrees Celsius of the conventional PERC and TOPCon, as shown in the graph on the right. When a module is shaded, the shading part of a conventional module becomes the load, causing the diurnal to conduct and the spring of cells to stop working. In the case of IBC module, the shading part becomes a conductor rather than a load, and does not affect the operation of the module. In the example of the shading on the left, the conventional module becomes 0%, and the IBC module still produces 95%. Best power stability. The P-type PERC typically has a first-year degradation of 2% and an annual degradation of 0.55% after the first year, giving a guaranteed power value of 84.8% over a 25 years lifetime, which is less than 85%. In contrast, N-type IBC have a first-year degradation of 1% and an annual degradation of 0.25% after the first year, giving a guaranteed power value of 93% over a 25 years lifetime, a significant difference. Also, for the product warranty, the glass backsheet module has an advanced 25 years product and performance warranty, double 25 years. And for double glass module, has an advanced 30 years product and performance warranty, double 30 years. Actual power generation. Third-party test results show that in the first month of the installation, the IBC module increased system efficiency by 1.83% and gained 2.09% in power generation per kilowatt compared to the PERC module. Combined with the advantage of low life cycle degradation and the high efficiency of the IBC module, the cumulative power output is 7.23% higher over 25 years for the same kilowatt and 70.21% higher over 25 years for the same surface. Proven reliability. The first IBC module in China to be certified by TÜV Rheinland and to have complete certification for PID, salt mist, ammonia, dust and sand on the basic certification of IEC 61215 and 61730, guaranteeing a long service life outdoors. Our products have participated in PVL's PQP test and have been awarded several top performer titles in PVL's 2021 PV module reliability scorecard, reflecting the high performance and reliability of our IBC products, as well as our meticulous line management and quality control management, which is the first time an Asian module manufacturer has received this award for an IBC product. In the 2022 scorecard released by PVL a week ago, SPIC's IBC module was again on the list. Christian, Vice President of the Sales and Marketing at PVL, commented, quote, "Once again, SPIC Solar's IBC module have been listed as the top performers in PVL's reliability scorecard. This demonstrates the high reliability of SPIC Solar's IBC module products through their advanced technical development and quality management." End of quote. Unique, elegant appearance. The product front design without bus bar has a beautiful appearance, especially with the black backsheet or black gilt glass for an elegant look, suitable for rooftops and buildings. As shown in the picture on the left, On the rooftop of the Beijing Baozhigu Conference Center, IBC modules are in sharp contrast to conventional busbar module. The only bifacial IBC. As the world's only bifacial IBC module, with a bifacial factor over 70% in fixed construction, the different rear side power gain is depending on the surface albedo, as shown in the graph on the right. The bifacial gain is 4% on dark soil with 10% albedo, 7% on grass with 15% albedo, 12% on sand with 30% albedo, and 22% on a white roof with 70% albedo. So you can paint your rooftop white and install IBC module to get not only a beautiful look, but also an additional 22% rear side power gain. These are some examples of installation for our IBC modules. On the far left is our group headquarters building, which uses IBC VIPV products. Next to it is the Yan'an Color Institute using IBC all black modules. Below is the previously mentioned Baozhigu Conference Center at Sunset, where the IBC all black modules are very beautiful. Above right is the AOK building in Munich, Germany, also using SPIC's IBC modules. Below right is an example of IBC used in utility scale. 8.38 megawatt IBC module last year, and another 22.73 megawatt IBC module this year. As the first PV company in China to lay out N-type IBC products and achieve mass production, SPIC Solar has been deeply involved in IBC technology for many years, and compared with other companies' IBC products, the company is based on the background of large-scale application of PV products using a low-cost, high-efficiency industrialization process route, and its products have the more cost-effective advantages. And with its deeply researched technology, the company has been widely recognized by customers for its technical strengths, high quality, and reliable product and services. Part 4, opening future for N-type. Back to the topic today, rooftop. The graph on the left is from International Energy Agency Photovoltaic Power System Program. The rooftop market grew in 2021 in absolute terms. Due growth in China, Australia, Germany, and the United States. Important growth of the distributed market was also observed in Spain, 100% compared to 2020. The market has also started to diversify in terms of type of applications, with BIPV starting to complement BAPV in the built-in environment. From a technical point of view, some evolution have been notable, such as the start of bifacial PV development, PV integrated in vehicles, or VIPV and VAPV, is showing the potential for further diversification of the PV market. The graph on the right is from Solar Power Europe Global Market Outlook. The market for rooftop solar was 77 gigawatts in 2021. Both residential and commercial power consumers are also evolving more and more into prosumers. Solar module will turn into building materials, and the smart city will want to employ the advantage of the distributed small-scale solar in combination with storage and the digital solutions. Solar Power Europe forecast for the development of solar rooftop is more upbeat than in the previous years. The market for rooftop solar is supposed to expand significantly over the coming years, reaching 145 gigawatts in 2026. For PV system, energy payback time is important. Information from Fraunhofer shows energy payback time for most of the Europe on the left, as well as for typical market countries on the right. The energy payback time can be further reduced by using high efficiency low degradation, and long lifetime IBC modules. Cell technology integration has always been the key to drive the development of the PV industry. The past few years has been the rapid expansion phase of the PERC cell technology, and entering 2022, the technology integration of the PV cells has officially ushered in a new era, and the N-type cell technology has been gradually industrialized and applied. SPIC has always insisted on using traditional crystalline silicon cell equipment and process in a N-type IBC cell technology to develop low-cost and high-efficiency industrialized solution. At present, TOPCon technology is well compatible with SPIC's existing IBC cell, both in terms of equipment and process. Therefore, we will further upgrade the IBC technology to TBC technology. Cell mass production can reach 25.5%, and the module efficiency can exceed 23%. With this deeply researched product, opening future for N-type. This is our team from Intersolar. Although we were unable to be there, we were represented by CW Solar from Spain and the IIC Constance from Germany, and would like to thank them for their hard work at the booth. Thank you. That is all for the presentation. Thank you, everybody, for listening.
Thanks, Franklin. That was great. It's really good to see that SPIC, with being such a big company, power company, also is focusing on solar. I think there's a few utilities worldwide who are doing that. I think in Europe we have just one with Enel. They focus on heterojunction, so it's good to see that you are focusing on next generation technology. If there's any questions to Franklin, please write it in the chat. Franklin, it would be nice if you could answer them in the chat.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So let's